Welcome back. The cat command is a widely used command in the Linux. It is short for concatenate and is basically used for displaying the contents of files, creating new files, and combining files. Here we have a list of options which we are going to cover along with examples as part of this video. We will also see on how we can use cat with other commands. So please consider watching the complete video. I'm sure you will find something new related to cat command usage. Here we have a basic syntax of cat command where you can simply mention file name and it will open the file for you. Let's see on the terminal. So here we have a file which we are going to open using cat command. For that you'll have to give the command and then the file name, and you can see the content inside this file. You can also concatenate two files or multiple files. So for that you can give multiple file names after cat command, and it will concatenate both the files and give you the output. And you can see that we have this output on the screen. Let us see the first option, that is -n. It will display the line numbers for each line including blank lines. So let us see. So this time I am going to use -n and will give the file name, and you can see it has printed the line numbers. And you can also notice we have line number on blank line. Now if you don't want to see the line numbers on blank line, you can use -b and it will not print the line numbers on empty lines. So let us see that. So again I'm going to cat, but this time with -b, and will give the file name. And you can see this time we don't have numbers in front of blank lines. Cat command can also suppress empty lines from the output. So first let us add few lines in the existing file, and then we will try to suppress those empty lines. So we have another file, that is file2.txt. And here I am going to add empty lines between these two paragraphs. So let us add a few lines, and I'm going to save this. Now if you open this file without any option, you will see those blank lines in the file. So let us now open this with -s, and it should not give you the blank lines. And you can see all those redundant blank lines are removed, and we just have a single blank line here. You can also print $symbol at the end of each line. This can be useful for text processing where you want to know the end of lines. So for that you can use -e, and let us see that. So here I'm going to use -e and will give the file name. And you can see we have dollar at the end of the line. And obviously you can club this with -s also, so it will remove all those redundant blank lines, and it will print dollar at the end of each line. Let us see some additional usage for cat command. So you can create a file with redirect. So let us try that. So here I'm going to use cat command, and I will redirect it to a file, that is file.txt. And when you press enter, you'll have to add the content. So here we are going to add content, and to exit you can use Ctrl D. So let us press Ctrl D and it will exit and save the content in file.txt. So our file has been saved. Let's check the file. And this is the content we have in the file. You can also concatenate and redirect the output to a new file. So let us see that. For that, you'll have to cat multiple files. So we are going to cat these two files. So it is going to concatenate the data of these two files, and then we can redirect it to a third file, that is file3.txt. And now we have data of file 1 and file 2 in the file3.txt. Okay. Similarly, you can also append the output to existing file. So let's say you want to append the output of file.txt to file2.txt. You can cat file.txt first, and you can append it using two greater than symbols, and you'll have to mention the file where you want to append. So it should append the content of file.txt to file2.txt, and when you open this file, you should see file.txt content, and here we have the content of file.txt. Let us also see the combined usage of cat command with other commands. So you can grep inside a file. So first we are going to open a file, that is file1.txt, and then we are going to grep it using a pipe symbol, and you'll have to mention what you want to grep. So in this case it is election, and you can see it is able to grep the election word inside this file. Similarly, you can count words, lines and characters. So for that you'll have to cat file, and you can use pipe symbol and run wc. It is going to give you the count of words, lines and characters. So here first is the line, second is number of words, and the third one is number of characters. That's it for this video. You can visit my channel for more such videos. I have made lots of videos on Linux command, WebLogic, OSB, so OHS administration, configuration, and we have also published videos on troubleshooting as well. So you can check out my channel for more such videos. If you found this video helpful, please support my work and like this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notification. Don't forget to leave a comment so that I can come up with more such videos. Thank you.